Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to make fish gravy. Please keep watching to see how I make my fish gravy. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate. So guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so here is my fish. I already wash and I dry all the water. If you want to make this recipe, make sure you wash your fish and dry all the water. So I'm going to be adding spices as well. Okay, first we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of fish spice. Next it's going to be ginger and garlic spice, about 1 teaspoon as well. And lastly, we're going to be adding lemon pepper, about 1 tablespoon. Okay, now that we're done with spices, we're going to be mixing all together and make sure all the spices get into the fish. Once you're done, marinate your fish for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, we're going to fry our fish. So now I add oil in the pan. As you can see guys, not that much oil. We don't want to deep fry. We just have to be adding a little bit of oil and fry until it's light golden in both sides. Okay guys, so in this point our fish is done. As you can see, it's nice, got nice golden color. Now I'm going to remove from oil and place on top of this paper towel. And also, if you don't have, you can use any clean dish towel, something that you're going to be able to absorb excess oil that is on the fish. So now we're going to set aside our fish and prepare the sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of oil in the pot and add half onion. This is a half sliced onion. So I'm going to fry until it's light golden. Okay, this color is fine. Now I'm going to be adding my tomato and I'm going to be adding also the spices. Okay, first I'm going to be adding some green chilies, ginger garlic paste, about 1 teaspoon, some salt, chili powder, about half teaspoon, turmeric powder, about half teaspoon as well, and some dry oregano. So now we have to cook this mixture until it's nice combined, or until tomato is nicely cooked. Okay guys, so our sauce is done. As you can see, now I'm going to transfer in the plate, where I'm gonna let it cool down completely before blending, because I have to blend it. Okay, now I'm going to put in the blender and blend it into a paste. Don't forget to add some water, okay? So this is how the paste looks like. Now we're going to bring the pot where we prepared our sauce and line up the fish. So I'm going to add my tomato mixture, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. You don't add too much water now. You have to wait for your pot to start boiling to see if you need more water or not. You have to mix it well, the water and the mixture that we add together, but be careful not to break the fish. And we can be able also to see the thickness of our sauce. Okay, now I'm going to cover the pot and let it boil in low to medium heat. So I let the pot boil for 5 minutes in low to medium heat. Now I'm gonna be adding my fresh coriander and slow the flame. I'm gonna let it simmer for another 5 minutes. But before covering your pot, make sure you check sauce. If it's thick, you must add some water, okay? Okay, now it's after another 5 minutes. Our fish gravy is done. This is how it should be. Not too much water, not less, not thick, too much thick, and also not thin. So this is how it should be, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up, share with family and friends, and comment down below what you guys think about this recipe. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe now, and turn on that notification bell, so when I upload a new video, you're gonna be the first to get notified. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.